ऐसे क्या हो रहा है? कहाँ जा रहे हो आप? Where are you going? Where are you going? Yeah. Are you excited for India? Are you excited? Excited! Yay! What? Really? Hi and welcome to another vlog of What's Up Ravina. Today's vlog is going to be super special because we are going to India. And before we go to India, I have a client जिनका मुझे makeup करना है and she is going to be a mom. Makeup part is done. Now she's wearing her jewelry and I will just show you her full look. So stay tuned. This is the pure silk sari she's wearing with real gold thread. Today and we are all ready and we are about to move in 5 minutes and I will take you along to India from London Heathrow Airport. We will take Elizabeth line. So stay tuned. This vlog is going to be super exciting. Our parents are going to be so happy to see Asher, to see us. So yeah, stay tuned and enjoy the India trip with me. This is the final packed luggage and I am getting that last minute scare that oh, I might have forgotten something. I hope I have carried at least the important stuff. Asher, where are you going? Do you know where are you going? Asher नींद में है, सो रहा था, बेचारे को उठा दिया. You know where are we going? Are you excited?
Are you, Aisha?
I have so many emotions going on. From Custom House Station, we can take a direct train to Heathrow Airport, which is an amazing service. We have reached Terminal 2 and 3 of Heathrow Airport. From here, we will take Terminal 5, right? And time is 4 p.m. and our flight is at 6:30. So yeah, we are क्या बोलते हैं उसको?
On time?
We are just on time. No,
We are fine.
we are fine, guys. From Terminal 2 and 3, you get Heathrow Express, which can take you to Terminal 5, or you can get Heathrow Express from Paddington itself. It's little bit expensive side, but the train is super fast and very convenient. We are traveling in British Airways today, and Terminal 5 is a dedicated terminal for British Airways flights. Asher has got kids pouch from British Airways. It has got crayons and some baby toys to keep him busy. So far so good, British Airways, not bad. So finally the check-in and everything is done and we are now in duty free. The thing is, there is a new technology on Terminal 2 and 3 wherein you don't have to take out your laptops and electronic devices. It gets scanned automatically, but for Terminal 5 they are still to install that. So we had to take all our belongings out, especially the electronic stuff. I'm in no mood of shopping. I mean, Black Friday just happened, so did the shopping, and also I'm more excited to go to India today. Everything around London is so Christmassy right now. I mean, look at this Christmas tree on the airport. Just beautiful. Now it was time for us to move towards the gate, and we got these ultimate transit trains. You know, usually what happens is your gate is so far away and then you have to do a walk of 15-20 minutes. But on Terminal 5, they have these transit trains which will directly take you to your gate. I love this feature, guys. Time is 5:45. We have done the check-in and now we are waiting for gates to open. And I am so excited to meet my parents, his parents, and Asher will meet his grandparents. So excited. Mama, Papa, we are coming. Come Asher, run to Dada. Run to Dada. Come, honey. Which one is it? 20? This is the business travel cabin in British Airways, and I really loved it. I mean, it looks really comfortable. And just after that is the premium economy seats, which we have got. And as soon as we entered the flight, we got orange juice, champagne, or water, whatever you want to have. And now we are comfortably seated. We have boarded the flight, and this is premium economy, very, very spacious. Although Asher doesn't have a seat, but loving the space, loving the comfort. Let's see how the flight goes. It's slightly late. The flight was supposed to start at 6:35, and right now it's 6:45, and still we are waiting for flight to. Let me quickly compare economy to the premium economy. So in the premium economy seats, the screens we get, entertainment screens, they are bigger. You also get the option of more leg room and reclining. There was a dedicated menu for premium economy people, so just like a restaurant. So you can order your specific lunch or dinner according to your preferences, and you can order your drinks as well. We got some travel goodies with British Airways today. Let me unbox it with you. So first was the pair of socks. They were really comfortable for the journey. And then they gave us some toothbrush and paste because it's a long flight, approximately 8.5 hours. And they also gave us one pen. And last but not the least was lip balm, which is really useful because I think when you fly, you always have those cracked lips. So this was really handy. Wait, there's one more thing. There is one eye mask which you can use for a good night's sleep.
Your seatbelt fastened and visible at all times.
If the cabin air supply fails, oxygen will be provided. A mask will appear automatically.
And this is the infant seat British Airways provides for a toddler who's going to be 2 years. That is for Asher. Not the best seat, I would say. He was feeling that he's super high and he was not at all comfortable for sleeping there. Hardly sat there for 5 to 10 minutes and then he was back in the lab. This is the food we got in the flight. The good thing was we got the real cutlery because of premium economy, which is really good. Got some amazing views from the flight. I especially checked the map to see where I was flying because the views were incredible, and this was over Afghanistan and near Pakistan, so must be Himalayas. In premium economy, you get comfortable blankets as well. One more meal was served before we landed in India. That's it for today's vlog, guys. The next vlog will be continued from where we left, so stay tuned.